Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video we are gonna try a new object detection model which is called as RT-DETR, which we didn't try before, and it is standing for real-time detection and transformer, and it's published by Baidu 2 years ago, and today it's supported by Ultralytics, so we can use it easily. And it's different than YOLO. We are gonna talk about some major differences in the code part, but I'm also planning to make a different video by detailing comparing with YOLO and this RT-DETR. What's the major differences? But in the code part, I'm gonna mention some of those, and we can directly go try in the code part how it looks like. Instead of you, if the people who are really interested, they can check this web page, they can read the details, and they are giving some code snips for the training, but I couldn't find something which is for testing. But here they are already giving a test code block, so by just checking this, the usage was all you need to do is your giving your images, your frames into this model in parentheses, and it's gonna transfer into the results, so you can use them easily. And the results format is similar to the YOLO, so I already did it. Let's switch to the code part maybe now. Okay, this is the code part, around 30 lines. All I'm doing is, by the way, before starting, maybe the people sometimes asking, maybe who are directly watching my video also, these are my versions, Python versions, Python library versions. Which is the most important one maybe is the Ultralytics version, which is in here 8.3.311, and here you can check the others. So these are my pip list, and it's running successfully on my machine currently. By the way, this is using CUDA. In the CPU is running really slowly, just to informing you. And here what I'm doing is just as I said, I'm just referencing this code snap, which is showing how to use the pre-trained model via on the image. Also, the models you can easily reach from the here large and the extra large. I just downloaded the large one into here, and this is around 66 megabyte, and I'm planning to try this street view. So let's see how it's gonna work on this video sample. And yeah, so I'm video capturing the sample video, and I'm also having Coco.txt, which is including active object names only, labels, so we can easily labeling the detected rectangles. So here in the for loop, in the while loop, we are getting the results as suggested in the code snap, and we are getting the first one because why we are getting the first one, you can also give into this model multiple images, like by just like this you can put other images. So since we are giving only one image, it's gonna return us only one result. And this R is important because this is including to all the boxes we need. And here is coming the major differences from the YOLO, which is in YOLO, as output from the network, you are getting many boxes and you need to suppress them. You need to apply a suppression to be able to get the best results. But here is directly giving you the result. For example, if there's only one person in the image and no other object which is in the Coco list, so it's gonna only return you one result. Also, maybe we can print it, but first of all, let's see the result, how it looks like, and RT-DETR, and let's run it. Okay, yeah, anyway, just making like this. So it's detecting, and it's going a bit faster, but traffic lights, umbrellas, it can detect many objects in the video. But to see maybe easier, we can stop frame by frame, and also I want you to see this length of the R, which is R dot boxes, I think, like this, I think. Let's see if it works. Okay, it doesn't work. So this is like this. So okay, I think it was the boxes. Okay, so it's good. It's showing 25. It means it can find 25 objects in here. And we can also, I'm also curious how YOLO is gonna work on this video, but better to postpone it to another video. But the most important one, you can see it can with occlusions. For example, umbrella and the person is almost in the same parts. There's an occlusion in there, but it can easily detect. Also some umbrellas even far, which has around a couple of pixels only shown, so it can detect very well. So here the length, maybe if we switch to the car part, and here first of all it detect force, but later is okay. Now there are only 2 cars, you see only 2 results, but YOLO, you are gonna remember there are many boxes it's giving to you, so you need to filter it out them. So but this is directly giving. By the way, maybe we can increase this accuracy to be able to decrease the object so we can compare easier also. This part, by the way, we stopped explaining in this line, but the rest is similar to the YOLO part. All I'm doing is just x1 and the x2 parts are just the rectangle starting and the ending part, and we are just rectangling them like this, and we are putting the text above the rectangle and nothing else. The code is such simpler. And okay, now it cannot detect the umbrella anymore. It's okay, but at least now we still see but yeah, just we are filtering, that's why we are still seeing the same length of the boxes, but it's okay, at least we see less rectangles here. The video quality is very low, which is 600 to 400, very low, under 1 megapixel even. Is really low level video, but it's good to compare with low resolution videos also. You see it can detect cars. It cannot detect the person, but it can still detect the umbrella. There are some people really far, but you see the part in here, the focus should be this human is around really a couple of pixels, but it can still detect. And yeah, and chair is detected, is also unbelievable because not really clear. And yeah, I can say this is RT-DETR. According to my trials, at first trials it looks like better than the YOLO, but again we are gonna check. And of course the speed is if you are seeing more accuracy, it means the speed is comparing to YOLO is gonna be lower. But since the nowadays hardware are really high level, if you are running on the GPU, if you can also see in the real time, it's not a big matter, so it can easily run in real time. You see, looks like no delay. Yeah. And yeah, in this video simply I just wanted to try this RT-DETR model with you, which is new, we didn't mention before in our videos, and it's good. And in the next video I want to make a detailed comparison with YOLO. And yeah, thanks for watching, see you in the next videos.